So hey everyone, today we're just working on the Monte, getting it cleaned up, disassembling the back, got the tail lights out, all the little brackets, got the valence out, trunk off, so we can get it some things to see what's, to get to the edges, get things taped, and see where we're at. So the bumper obviously needs painted, the whole car needs painted. So we started looking at this and we were trying to decide if we were going to paint it or not, and the paint is really thick in a lot of spots. The body lines are obscured, just not a good thing. So we're going to paint it. I'm starting to put the taping on, and you can see we've done a little bit of block sanding on it, trying to get it square and everything, but I got a lot of paint to take off it before I can even start to get where I could say that it's a good base layer. You can see we've got a lot of plastic dip that drained down in these troughs and everything. That's all got to be cleaned out. It's all sticky in the back here where this stuff drained down. Man, I tell you, that plastic dip made a mess of this car. So, well, the people who did it and the plastic dip made a mess. I don't think I could recommend the plastic dip to anybody. Maybe for doing rims, but I'll bet you it's nasty to get off them too. So, at any rate, doing some work. So, I'm gonna put it on and just take off and go. Probably not gonna be doing any talking here, just kind of working and see what we get. So, here we go. This plastic dip, anywhere that it blew from the pressure washer and landed, it glued on like it had just been put on, like it was brand new. So, and your sanding block, your sanders gum immediately from this. The people that painted this, they put enough on. They didn't scrimp on the paint. Like there's right here, there's a little ledge where when you paint this, the paint kind of bubbles up to the edge. I know nobody blocked it because I can see original paint right there underneath this paint. So, as I pull this off, I see the original paint. The original paint is more of an ivory white than the stark white. This almost reminds me of like a white epoxy primer. That somebody hit it with a primer, which I think is not too far from the fact. I believe this is epoxy primer. See right there, it's trying to get that black off there. It would be cool if it was like a guide coat, but it's not. It's not a guide coat. It's that plastic. Hey guys, so to wrap up for tonight, worked on getting this trim off right here around the window. Lots of fun there. And getting, this all cleaned up. This all cleaned up with getting rid of all this crap plastisol, getting taped up right here, and taking apart all the trim. We got vacuumed up here. It still needs cleaned, but vacuumed up here. I got to get down under the car to get the rest of the bumper off tomorrow. As you can see, it's ready to come off. Just got a couple little spots right here giving me some issue, but tomorrow I'll have the bumper off and the brake job done. So brake job tomorrow and then take the bumper off. That's what we're going to be doing tomorrow. So today, struggle bus on the trim stuff. So, but that window trim was shot, so we couldn't have drove the car like that anyways. So it needed to be fixed. So I'm done for the night. Mosquitoes are carrying me away again. So have a good night and we'll see you again. Woohoo.